Hello everybody, welcome back. So this is so far 2 applications of the fungicide that we put down on the lawn. We adjusted our watering and still see the spots that were damaged, but I think we managed to prevent any of this lawn disease from spreading out anymore. So now that it's actually starting to get a little bit cooler, we should be able to dethatch the lawn maybe another week or 2. We'll do a core aeration. See all this dead stuff, there's live stuff under there, it wants to pop out. Still a little too hot during the days, don't want to stress the grass out too much. So we'll give it a little bit. We'll dethatch everything, do some core aeration, and we'll overseed it a little bit. But yeah, the other spots are looking good though. The rest of the grass looks great. Mostly just that area around there. See, all this is nice and beautiful. Thick. So we'll fix that up, that area, in a couple weeks. Anyway, thanks again. Take care.